Hello Nakamas! Welcome sa aking One Piece Nihongo Lesson JLPT N5 series. Ang lesson natin ngayon ay Understanding Ja Arimasen Deshita, Dewa Arimasen Deshita, and Janakatta Dewa Nakatta. So bago ang lahat, panoorin muna natin ang mga One Piece video clips na ito.
ペコムさん、ビンスモーク家とは確か王族の名じゃありませんでしたか。
海に沈んだんじゃなかった。嘘じゃなかった。
それにしてもこのウェイはただものではありませんでしたよ。
ああ、本当にな。前は気の利く男ではなかった。
麦わらのルフィは囚人図書室で死んだのではなかったのか。
Okay, so basahin muna natin ang definition ng Ja Arimasen Deshita and Janakatta. Ja Arimasen Deshita is the past negative form of Ja Arimasen, which means was not or were not. It is used to negate past events or states in a formal or polite manner. Janakatta is the informal past negative form of Janai, which also means was not or were not. It is used to negate past events or states in a casual or informal manner. Tingnan nyo tong mga examples. So, kare wa sensei ja arimasen deshita. If we will translate it per word sa Japanese syntax, ganito yung translation niya. He, teacher, was not. He, teacher, was not. So sa English, ganito yung translation. He was not a teacher. So ang meaning ng Ja Arimasen Deshita dito ay was not. Sa plain naman, I can use Janakatta. So, kare wa sensei Janakatta. Ang translation niya, per word sa Japanese syntax, ganito. He, teacher, was not. So yung wa dito, ito yung particle natin, no? Subject marker. So yung subject natin ay si kare. Ang ibig sabihin ay he. So he, teacher, was not. Yung translation niya sa English, ganito na. He was not a teacher. So kapag polite, minasang, ja arimasen deshita. Kapag plain naman, it's Janakatta. Okay? Next, ang Dewa Arimasen Deshita and Dewa Nakatta. Dewa Arimasen Deshita is the past negative form of Dewa Arimasen, meaning was not or were not, in a formal or polite manner. It is used to negate past events or states politely. Dewa Nakatta is the informal past negative form of Dewa Arimasen, again signifying was not or were not in a casual or informal manner. It is used to casually negate past events or states. Additionally, Dewa Nakatta is more formal than Janakatta. Okay, another example. So, kare wa sensei dewa arimasen deshita. So, translation niya, he, teacher, was not. Sa English, ganito, he was not a teacher. So, yung dewa arimasen deshita, minasang, same lang siya sa ja arimasen deshita. Mas polite lang to siya, no? Dewa arimasen deshita. Ito naman, dewa nakatta, plain siya, pero polite pa rin. Okay? So, example, kare wa sensei dewa nakatta. He, teacher, was not. So, same lang siya ng translation, no? He was not a teacher. So, ang polite is dewa arimasen deshita. Yung plain niya, pero polite pa rin, dewa nakatta. Okay, so tingnan niyo itong table na to. So, sa previous lessons natin, napag-aralan natin ang ja arimasen at janai. So, ibig sabihin ng ja arimasen, yun yung non-past affirmative. Polite siya, no? Ja arimasen. Yung plain form niya is ito, yung janai. Now, ang past negative ng ja arimasen ay ja arimasen deshita. So, lalagyan mo lang siya ng deshita. Okay? Ang mas polite sa ja arimasen deshita, ito. Dewa arimasen deshita. So, yung ja, gagawin mo siyang dewa. Dewa arimasen deshita. Okay? Now, ang plain form naman ng janai na past negative ay janakatta. Okay? Janakatta. Now, ang mas polite niya na plain form, ito. Dewa na katta. Okay? Dewa na katta. So, I hope na clear, no? Saan gagamitin ang mga tenses na to? Yung ja arimasen deshita, dewa arimasen deshita, tapos yung plain, janai, janakatta, at dewa na katta. Okay, ito yung sinabi ni Brooke kanina. Sabi niya, Pecom-san, Vince Moko kato wa tashika Ozuku no na ja arimasen deshita ka? So, ang translation niya per word, again si Pecom-san, Vince Smoke family, kasi ito yung kanji ng family, or pwede rin siya house actually. So, Vince Smoke family, Vince Smoke ka. Ibig sabihin ng tashika, I'm certain, I'm sure. Then, Ozoku no na, ibig sabihin yan is, royal name or royalty, royal name. Then, ito, meron siyang ka dito, ginawa ko lang interrogative yung sentence. So, ja arimasen deshita ka? So, sa English, yung translation niya, wasn't it? So, sa Nihongo minasang, sa Nihongo na syntax, ganito yung translation. Pecom-san, Vince Smoke family, I'm certain, our royal name, wasn't it? Then, sa subtitle, ganito yung ginamit nila. Pecom-san, if I'm correct, Vince Smoke was the name of a royal family, wasn't it? So, Ozuku no na ja arimasen deshita ka? Ito naman yung sinabi ni Nami kanina. Sabi niya, umi ni shizundan janakatta. So, ibig sabihin ng umi, ocean. Then, meron tayong particle ni. So, ito yun siya. Into, shizunda. Janakatta, again, it's negative, did not. Itong n dito, minasang, so, wala naman siyang meaning. So, ano lang ito siya, parang para swabe pakinggan yung Japanese mo. Para more on, native speaker ka pakinggan. So, ta form, tapos, n. So, shizundan, janakatta. So, yung translation niya, into the ocean, sink, did not. Okay? So, sa subtitle, ganito yung ginamit nila. Didn't sink into the ocean. Umi ni shizundan janakatta. Okay, ito naman yung sinabi ni Luffy. Sabi niya, uso janakatta. Ibig sabihin ng uso ay lie. Then janakatta, again, was not. So, lie was not. Ibig sabihin, it wasn't a lie. Uso janakatta. Okay, ito naman yung sinabi ni Pagaya sa Sky Island, sa Skypiea. Sabi niya, Sori ni shite mo, kono ueba, tadamono dewa arimasen deshita yo. So, ibig sabihin ng sorry ni shite mo ay still, kono ueba, this waiver, yung parang motor nila sa Sky Island, Skypiea. So, tadamono, ibig sabihin ng tadamono, something ordinary. Then, dewa arimasen deshita. So, again, it's negative. Past negative, it's was not. So, yung translation niya sa English, sa Japanese syntax, ganito. Still, this waiver, something ordinary was not. Pero, sa subtitle, medyo naiba na siya, minasang. So, ganito yung ginamit nila sa subtitle, no? Still, this waiver turned out to be really something. So, hindi siya ordinary. So, diniretso nila siya pag-translate. So, nawala na yung was not. Pero, almost the same lang naman yung yung meaning. Pero yun nga no, sa Nihongo, sori ni shite mo kono wei ba tadamono dewa arimasen deshita yo. So ganito yung translation niya no. Sa English, sa Japanese syntax, still this waiver something ordinary was not. Okay? Now, ito yung sinabi ni Ino Arashi. Sabi niya, honto ni na mae wa kinokiku otoko dewa nakatta. So ibig sabihin ng honto is really. Yeah, really. Mae is before. Again, yung wa natin, it's the subject marker. Kinokiku otoko, ibig sabihin niyan attentive man. Then dewa nakatta, were not. So, yeah, really, before, attentive man, were not. So, kausap niya dito yung yung isa pang character. So, yung ginamit nila sa subtitle, ganito. Yeah, really, you were not so attentive before. Okay? So, medyo nabaliktad na siya, no? Yung before, andito na. Tapos, yung dewa nakatta, andito na sa gitna. Okay? So, ganun ka, minasang, kahirap mag-translate from Japanese to English. Okay. Ito naman yung sinabi ni Charlotte Smoothie kanina. Sabi niya, Mugiwara no Luffy wa shujin toshushitsu de shinda no dewa nakatta no ka? So, ibig sabihin ng Mugiwara no Luffy, si Luffy, Straw Hat Luffy. Shujin toshushitsu de, ibig sabihin ng toshushitsu is library. Shujin is prisoner. So, prison library, diretso na siya. Particle de, so, ginagamit yan siya, place of action. Shinda, the ta form of dead, okay? Wasn't he? Dewa nakatta no ka? So, merong ka dito, kaya siya naging interrogative sentence. So, yung translation niya sa English, sa Japanese syntax, ganito. Straw Hat Luffy in the prison library, dead, wasn't he? Then, yung ginamit nila sa subtitle, ganito. I thought that Straw Hat Luffy and the other one died in the prison library. So, hindi na sinabi doon sa Japanese, no? Yung the other one. Pero parang merong kasama si Luffy doon sa, sa prison library. Okay, so I hope na clear paano gamitin ang past negative, yung ja arimasen deshita, ja nakatta, dewa arimasen deshita, and dewa nakatta. Okay, so let's have a review. So try to complete the sentence. So yung English niya, he was not a doctor. So doctor is isha. He is kare. So paano mo sasabihin yung was not? So kare wa isha ja arimasen deshita. Pwede rin siya dewa arimasen deshita. So kare wa isha ja arimasen deshita or kare wa isha dewa arimasen deshita. Okay? Okay. Other example. He was not a banker. So banker ay ginkoin. Again, kare is he. So how will you say was not? Polite form. Kare wa ginkoin ja arimasen deshita or dewa arimasen deshita. Okay, kare wa ginkoin ja arimasen deshita or kare wa ginkoin dewa arimasen deshita. Okay, how about sa casual? He was not my friend. My friend, watashi no tomodachi. Kare, he. So how will you say was not? Casual. So, kare wa watashi no tomodachi janakatta or kare wa watashi no tomodachi dewa nakatta. I hope na may natutunan ka sa video natin ngayon, nakama. So, ang next lesson natin, review muna tayo sa lesson 6 hanggang lesson 9. Okay? Hanggang dito na lang. Class dismissed.